For decades, humankind has been following a model of consumption in which the production of goods is at the expense of our ecosystems. To tackle this, the model of circular economy offers a new chance of innovation and integration between natural ecosystems, businesses, our daily lives, and waste management. BENE's vision is clear: to use resources sparingly and to recycle continuously. With this vision in mind, BENE introduces bFRIENDS, the first 3D printed circular production accessories collection for the workplace, made from recycled bioplastic.
Das Thema Nachhaltigkeit ist etwas, was wir in unsere Produktentwicklung immer wieder einfließen lassen und was für uns Auftrag und Passion gleichzeitig ist. Und deswegen haben wir uns für diesen weiteren Schritt in Richtung Nachhaltigkeit entschieden, im 3D-Druckverfahren diese Accessories zu entwickeln.
The bFRIENDS collection is the result of an exciting collaboration between BENE's long-standing design partner, Pearson Lloyd, and Batchworks, a London-based startup that specializes in 3D printing technology. The post-consumer PLA needed to produce bFRIENDS is derived from Reflow, a company that specializes in recycling bioplastics used in products such as food packaging for 3D printing.
The interesting thing about the cornstarch, the PLA that we're using in this, is that this first generation of products are already a second generation of material use. So these products are made out of a material that's already had a life, and if it wasn't for these products, would probably be in a landfill. So the impact in terms of the carbon footprint is already much, much smaller, because we're taking a material that already exists and using a very small amount of energy, locally producing it, which is the ambition, to then produce the final product. So we have a very small impact.
The design reflects the additive nature of 3D printing. A single line traces the silhouette of each design. The print nozzle slowly builds up the form of the object without changing, stopping, and restarting.
We realised that if you can do the print in a continuous line, it's the most efficient way of printing in terms of time and reducing any post-production manual labour. And so every single design is a single traced line, and that really also holds together the identity of the collection in a nice way, but also expresses the making process.
bFRIENDS is a family of desktop storage solutions that includes trays, stationery stands, pen pots, clips, and hooks. The collection comprises 21 products in 10 colors to place highlights in your workplace, at home, or in the office. bFRIENDS are made to last. However, embracing the circular idea, all bFRIENDS products at the end of their life cycle can be returned to the production cycle and reformed into new products again and again, making them truly circular.
bFRIENDS as a collection is more than an experiment. It does offer the reality of the future of production, where we can channel creativity through sustainable methods of production which are flexible, adaptive and smart.
The collection is a great example of how to remodel the way we produce and supply products in the market in a conscious way.